Can you speak English?
Yes. I can speak English very well.
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Where do you live?
I live in Chicago.
How old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on July 15th.
Why don't you go to school?
Because today is Sunday.
Where are you going?
I'm going to my hometown.
What are you going to do today?
I'm going to my hometown.
How do you get to school?
I usually ride my bike.
Do you love animals?
Yes. I love animals very much.